Most drivers think getting good blocks on Amazon Flex is random. They refresh the app and hope for luck. But here's the truth no one tells you. On Amazon Flex in 2026, the drivers who earn the most are not lucky. They understand timing, demand patterns, and system behavior. The biggest mistake you need to avoid is waiting for blocks without knowing when and how they actually drop. In this video, you will learn how Amazon Flex blocks work in 2026, the exact times best blocks appear, and how to increase your chances of grabbing them consistently. Let's break it down simply. Amazon Flex uses delivery blocks instead of individual orders. A driver like Alex doesn't just turn on an app and accept random deliveries. Instead, he grabs a block, like 2 hours or 4 hours, and completes all assigned deliveries in one route. Now here's where it gets interesting. Blocks are released based on demand from warehouses, not driver preference. This means timing matters more than effort. But here's the problem most beginners face. They check the app randomly throughout the day and miss the peak release windows where the best blocks appear. So let's talk about when the best blocks usually show up in 2026. Early morning hours, especially around warehouse processing times, often have high-value block releases. Midday can be slower, but evening releases can also bring high-paying last-minute blocks when demand spikes. A driver like Jake who understands these windows can secure better-paying routes compared to someone checking the app randomly. Now let's talk about strategy. First, consistency matters. Amazon's system tends to favor drivers who are active regularly. If you only check once in a while, you reduce your chances of seeing priority blocks. Second, speed matters a lot. Blocks can disappear in seconds. That means your reaction time when tapping accept is critical. In a minute, here is a key insight experienced drivers use. They don't rely on refreshing manually all day. They build routines around peak drop times and stay ready during those windows. Third, location plays a big role. Drivers in high-demand cities often see more frequent and higher-paying blocks compared to smaller areas. Another important factor is app performance. A slow phone or poor connection can cost you blocks. Even a 1-second delay can make you miss a high-paying opportunity. Now let's talk about a hidden advantage. Drivers like John who track patterns over time notice that certain days, especially weekends and holiday seasons, produce more valuable blocks due to higher order volume. So how do you actually get the best blocks consistently? You focus on timing, stay active during peak windows, and build a routine instead of random checking. That is what separates average drivers from high earners. To wrap it up, Amazon Flex blocks in 2026 are not random. They follow demand patterns. The drivers who understand timing, speed, and consistency will always get better opportunities. If this helped you understand how to get better blocks, like the video, drop a comment with your city, and subscribe for more real driver strategies that help you earn smarter every day.